Industrial fires. They're one of the most dangerous aspects of any industry's production. One spark can cripple operations and cost lives. But now, even the biggest fire disaster can be controlled and contained. It's possible thanks to International Fog, Inc. and their breakthrough industrial containment system. The containment system was designed to control and contain both liquid and gas fuel fires. It can cover areas both small and large, from transfer stations and wellheads to processing units and larger pump rows. In fact, any and all areas inside refineries and chemical plants can be covered by the industrial containment system. When it comes to safety, here are the facts. The industrial containment system will control and contain fuel fires at pressures as low as 50 psi and as high as 200 psi, all on the fire water supply feed. At 140 psi of water pressure, each nozzle delivers 100 to 110 gallons per minute. The main header of the system is a minimum 4-inch pipe. The down legs of the system, or drops, can be installed to a customer's existing fire suppression system. The system is installed after fuel load and location have been determined by the customer. Above all, the system creates a superior containment area that allows fuel to burn off and vent through the top, allowing plant personnel and firefighters a safe approach to the danger area and fuel or product feed valves. When your operation and its safety are at stake, the industrial containment system is the right choice. Contact International Fog, Inc. today.